Pablo? Hotdog? Anong meron?
Patanong ko sa sarili ko, ito ba talaga yung gusto kong gawin? Parang ito ba talaga yung pinapangarap ko? I-breakdown mo. Huwag mo masyadong isipin yung goal, but isipin mo kung paano ako magsisimula. Tapos step by step, as you progress, dun mo na isa-isahin or alam mo kung ano yung mga pwede mong gawin. Kung hindi kaya ng biglaan, try ng dahan-dahan. Everyday, ganun yung ginagawa ko. Mapasok ko naman ng araw, tapos yung trabaho ko. So, for a time, pinagsabay ko talaga yun.
There right there is a glimpse to Pablo's genius, man. This is what separates those who try and those who become. Maybe this is what I've been lacking of all this time. I've seen people quit mid-journey because they never fully owned it. While having a dream and relentless efforts, man, those are very important. Having the right systematical approach, governed by the attitude of taking full accountability every step, are the X factor that ties everything together and builds the character that carries greatness. That's what it takes.
Parang episode doon na parang pinapakita yung struggles niya. Tapos na sila mag-practice siya is to keep on mastering at least yung steps na ginagawa. And he keep on getting stumbled down. Nagkakamali talaga siya. And he tries to do his best na ma-master yun. And na-recognize yun ng mga tao sa paligid niya. And yun nga, kaya kami mga video na kinukuhanan siya na parang yun, paulit-ulit niyang ginagawa yung step na hirap siya. Hindi, para sa akin, hindi mo siya makikita as someone na hindi marunong sumayaw. But someone na pina-perfect yung isang art form na alam niyang hindi niya linya and yet he is trying his best to be on that kind of scenery. And by doing that and to be recognized internationally, pag pinagsama-sama mo, when it all coalesces, parang makikita mo yung formula kung bakit siya kinikilala as a leader. So tingin ko ganun si Pop.
Kailangan talaga masterin yung basics. Yung iba kasi parang yung may direkta na agad sa gantong bagay. Pero kung gusto mo talaga tumagal sa ginagawa mo, yung pinakamahalaga, masterin mo yung basics kasi yun yung magpapatatag ng pundasyon mo.
Whew! Bars right there. This gives the basics the respect it deserves. While most people won't see it this way, but now we are educated thanks to Pablo. Man, the basics are the real cheat code. And I believe that, man. It naturally lifts your game to a level of excellence that closes the gap to success. I can't think of anything that does that. The basics aren't just step one. That's the entire game. Bro, can you rate this song on a scale of 1 to 10?
Sure.
Nine.
Why?
Kasi yung song, it resonates something sa totoong laban ng buhay. Butata kasi means it's something to do with expression of determination without complacency.
Nice. All right, thank you so much, bro.
Thank you.
Lagi ko rin hindi ko man nakakwento, pero I don't always talk about my faith. I'm not perfect. Like, I'm not perfect. No one's perfect. Marami akong shortcomings. I sin. Pero I'm really thankful na nasa buhay ko siya. Kasi hindi talaga ako makakapagpatuloy kung wala siya. Parehas lang tayo ng gusto sa buhay. Naabot natin yung mga pangarap natin. Nag-work hard tayo for it. And sana makita na ng tao kung gaano kami naghihirap.
Whew. Dang. That made me tear up a little bit, man. That is heavy. That is the most honest and secure a person could be in both his story and his identity. This reminded me of what I used to misunderstood about authenticity. Because I used to think authenticity meant just being myself. But truth is, just like what we have seen right here, which I couldn't agree with what Pablo shared, it is gracefully embracing our flaws, imperfections, weirdness, even our weaknesses. And in that, we can learn to trust God with what He has given us to carry us forward. No competition, only our journey. That truth actually is what finally freed me to rename this channel with peace. Because in a world full of fake, man, people like Pablo needed them because real stands out. And those who root their identity in God live their life to the fullest for sure.
For me, yung recognition kasi nanggagaling mismo dun sa loob ng grupo. And that makes him great already. Kasi syempre, kung yung mga taong nasa paligid mo is the person or the people na talagang nag-recognize sa'yo as their leader, I think it's already enough. No? Pero siguro sa perspective naman ng mga kalahanga, ng mga fan, ang isang bagay siguro na pwede kong tignan din is, una, not only that nare-recognize siya ng mga kagrupo niya in terms of being their leader, na natawag nga sa kanya pinuno. It's also the direction of the group. No? Since siya yung nare-recognize ng grupo, and the group is moving towards a goal or let's say path na talaga namang not only for them being recognized locally but internationally, di ba? Considered na sila.
I love hot dogs! Boy, ayaw talaga!
So there we found out anong meron, peeps. And that is not from the hot dog. It is from owning it, mastering the basics, and having a rooted identity. So if there's anything I hope that you take away from this video is that you are worth it. Yes, you right there. So please, go live the life that you are made for.